Hey guys, so just got the package which I ordered from the Shoes Republic, and the product was Airmax 720 Saturn League, and I got it from Shoes Republic 5 days ago. Just received the parcel yesterday. Haven't got a chance to open it yet, so I'm gonna open it now. Bear with me, please. Okay, so here's the box, the packaging. The box got a little bit damaged due to the handling of the courier, I think. Okay, so here are the shoes. So these are the League Edition 720 Saturn. Yep. The retail price which was mentioned on the Shoes Republic website was 8,000 PKR, and it's their latest edition, I think, latest stock, so that's why the price is so high. The shoe quality is good. Stitching is, yep, the stitching is also good, and as you can see, the quality of the material used in this shoe is also good. I have another pair already from Shoes Republic, which was La Familia from Air Jordan, and that's also going very good. That I got for I think 5,000 PKR, and from the last 4 months, from the last 6 months, I think, I've been using that on my daily basis as a daily driver, and it's doing very good. It's comfortable, it's airy. You don't get tired wearing these shoes even all day long, and my work day lasts for 12 hours a day, so yeah, these are very comfortable. So this is um the left foot, this is the right foot. Here is a tag. It's in Chinese because I think it's coming from China, maybe. I don't know. I don't know the sources of Shoe Republic, but the quality is good as far as the stitching and the colors and the material goes. It's comfortable. So here is Airmax 720 Saturn League Edition from Shoe Republic. And this is not a sponsored video from Shoe Republic. I'm just a big fan of their collection. That's why I'm doing this review. Yep. Okay guys, see you in the next one.